Hi, my name is Chioma Deer. I'm the owner and founder of the Deer Law Firm in West Palm Beach, Florida. We help clients with estate planning, elder law, and probate and trust administration legal services. I wanted to invite you to our free estate planning workshop coming up on March 19th, 2024 here in West Palm Beach, Florida. This is your opportunity to come and meet me and learn more about those critical issues that you need to know and make the decision to get your affairs in order. Among the topics that we'll be covering during this workshop include how to make sure that your children's inheritance are protected, how to make sure your assets are protected, do you need a will or a trust, and how do you make sure that you can plan for a lifetime of care without affecting your eligibility for government benefits such as Medicaid. During this workshop, we'll talk about all the steps you need to take to get your affairs in order, but also ensure that your family is not left with fighting, uncertainty, or not being aware of what your desires and needs would be if you become incapacitated or after your death. Please feel free to reach out to us on our website to learn how you can sign up and save your spot for our in-person free Wills and Trust workshop. Space is limited, so make sure that you reach out to us online or give us a call at the office, 561-515-4376. You will not regret coming to this really informative and educational Wills and Trust workshop with the Deer Law Firm. We look forward to seeing you there.